Calculus is the advanced study of algebra and geometry that takes roots from the study of mathematics centuries ago. Calculus is a facet of mathematics that is crucial in the understanding... Who wrote this? This is boring. Calculus is more than that. Calculus affects all our daily lives, and we just don't know it. Calculus is the language of economists, engineers, and scientists. It is the cornerstone that gave rise to many miraculous things we have today. MP3s, for example, are something we use nowadays that weren't possible just decades ago. With the help of advanced calculus, we are able to convert sound into digital information, enabling us to use our music the way we do today. In biology, calculus is used in calculating the growth of bacteria when variables that affect its growth are changed. In engineering, calculus can be used to calculate the exact length of cables needed to connect two substations far apart from each other. Or in bridge construction, where it is used to find the tensile strength of cables and study the effects of rigid body motion. In geology, geologists use calculus to predict the occurrence of earthquakes, hurricanes, and other major weather events. This enables them to provide early warnings and help save lives. In the world of finance, stochastic calculus is used in evaluating stock values and quantifying investment risks. Calculus is paramount to the study of interplanetary science, enabling us to study planetary movements, taking into consideration their orbital patterns and planetary velocity. Unlike learning to shoot hoops or throwing a baseball, it takes a lot of resources to send a satellite into space or to a planet. We can't afford to practice to get it right. So what is calculus? Who discovered it? And what motivated its discovery? The word calculus comes from the Latin word for a small stone or pebble. Ancient Romans used these small pebbles to perform calculations. Anyway, a few is enough to make an abacus-like calculator small enough to fit in a pocket. So who first invented calculus? Frankly, we don't know. The Egyptians used an elementary form of it in their architectural work, but it had tons of errors. Eudoxus, a Greek mathematician, developed an exhaustive method of calculus to calculate the areas of circles and volumes of spheres. The modern form of calculus that we know of today was developed by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. No, they didn't develop it together. They did it separately, at different times, in their own countries. The problem was, Leibniz published his work before Newton, but Newton had evidence that he had worked on it 2 decades before Leibniz. It caused quite a stir, but modern scientists acknowledge that both get equal credit for their contributions. So why are we learning about calculus? Just like how alphabets make up the English language and learning how to walk before we run, learning about calculus is the first tiny step to understanding the modern mathematics and science that our civilization thrives on today.